Teena, and today I will be reviewing the PIXI Skin Treats collection. Glamour Box PH sent me a box just to check out the new products. And buti na lang din, I haven't tried any of the PIXI brand products. Like any, kahit yung kay Judy, kahit yung mga blush palette nila, eyeshadow palette. I've never tried it before. I don't know why. I'm just kind of scared of trying out new products. By the way, guys, pardon my lashes. If it looks weird, it's a new lashes that I just wanted to try. And I don't know if it's working or not. I will find out when I edit this video. It's one of those very stiff ones, you know? Anyways, so this is the look that I have made with the products that they have sent me. So if you want to see what I think about the products, then please stay and watch the tutorial. Okay, so now we're going to start talking about the eyeshadow. We have 6 colors right here. It's called PIXI by Petra in Desert Sun. Okay guys, so as you can see, yun nga, there are 6 different colors. Let's swatch them all. Okay, it's not super pigmented. It's very subtle. Okay, yung matte medyo. So there are 2 shimmers, 2 mattes, and 2 satins. Sobrang ang weak no orange. Yung pigment niya, I think it's just, it's okay. It's not like Juvia's Place na talagang isang swipe and it's like one whole streak. These I had to swipe quite a few times just to get a full color of it. Since yung dalawang shade of the shimmer, they're normally pigmented talaga because shimmers I think are easier to formulate, I guess. And then the mattes are okay. The 2 satin ones are not the best. I don't know. First impressions, it's okay. Let's see how it is with the brush because these are finger swatches, and to be honest, finger swatches are much better than brush application. So we shall see if it's okay as well, or if it's better, or if it's not. So I don't know what look I'm gonna do, but as usual, I'm just gonna wing it. Okay, first I'm going to apply the matte brown. Okay, it's good naman with the brush application. Let me try to blend it. Orange or red? I think I'll try orange muna. The satin orange naman. It's okay, it's subtle. I don't know what's next. And to be fair, they're very easily blended, so that's always a good thing. There's a tiny bit of fallout. And then on the bottom, maybe I want to go red. I'm bringing it a bit lower than my normal routine. Tignan nyo yun? Yung powder niya, pumapasok sa mata ko ng very light. For some reason, I kinda wanna smoke it out with a brown color a bit. Around here, like that. It's very weak. Let's make it thicker. Ano ba yun? I don't know what I'm doing anymore. Let's try now the liquid eyeshadow. This is basically sparkly and it's glittery. I think this will help our eye very much. Let's try inner. That looks cute. I'm just gonna darken the inner and outer corner right like that. Okay. Okay, now how am I gonna blend that? Okay, I'm gonna take some of the shimmer. Oh my god. Natakpan ako yung first layer that I did. Okay, so I think this liquid eyeshadow is like a topper. This is more of a topper than a base. So I think I'm just gonna leave it at that. Dust off the excess. And then I'm just gonna slowly and thinly line my waterline with the dark shimmer that we had put. That's okay. The eyeshadows are really going inside my eye. Oh, it's creasing! Oh no. I'm just gonna try to copy it on the other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, so I just slapped on some falsies. I'm actually not into these falsies, but if I look straight, it looks nice. But if I look down, you can see how stiff and plasticky it is, if that makes sense. But anyways, I think it looks nice if I look head on. So the next product that we have for PIXI is their highlighter. This is in Subtle Sunrise. So I'll just watch the highlight. Oh, we have a winner. You guys see that? Oh my goodness. It's so pretty. It's sobrang ganda. I can't. Now, let's try it on the face. This one is so nice for darker skin. And this one is so nice for just fair and light toned skin. Okay, now I'm trying the light one. I have really high hopes for this because it's washed beautifully. Oh. Yes. Mantika or highlight. Oh my god, I'm so wet. Like my face looks wet. Not me wet. Ganda! Oh my god. Okay, let's try the inner corner naman. Okay, it looks subtle with a brush. Oh, or not. Oh my god, ang ganda nito kung tan ka. Okay, I wanna do like a little here. For lips, I'm just gonna use Jeffree Star in Leo. As usual, you can stop there, but I'm gonna add some gloss. This is Kylie lip gloss in Like. Okay, so this is the final look for the makeup. Let's now talk about the products. So basically, if you really want to try this eyeshadow palette, then go ahead. You can definitely try it. It's actually quite soft and it's very blendable. So that's great. The one thing that I don't like about this is that most definitely I can find something more pigmented. But at the same time, you do have to realize it doesn't always have to be super pigmented. So it gives you that option to add more and more and more until your satisfaction. Because sometimes, pag masyado naman pigmented, parang you're stuck na kung gaano siya kapal. Unlike pag medyo light ka magsa-start, like these shadows, you can add more and more and more to the intensity that you want. Okay, so the next thing that I want to talk about is the liquid eyeshadow naman. It creases, so definitely I would rather that you guys use this with an eyeshadow that is the same color underneath. Otherwise, you will definitely see your skin. Let me give you a close-up. There, as you can see, oh, parang medyo nagla-line-line na yung dito ko. Tignan nyo ba yan? Nakikita na yung skin. But since the eyeshadow that we use underneath is very similar to the color of the liquid, then it doesn't really look like it's creasing. Parang you can definitely still save it. Oh no, my lashes. I don't like these lashes. Oh my god. Pardon me, okay? I didn't know. Okay, so these are okay, but it's definitely not the best liquid eyeshadow that I've tried. But it does look really, really pretty. Like if you're gonna do a messy, smoky eye with a hint of glitter, this would work fine. But I don't think this will last you the whole night. Next is the highlight. I love the highlight. Can I just say, first of all, this color inside the inner corner with the darker shade is stunning. Parang siyang dark rose gold almost. And then yung highlight ko naman dito sa cheeks, it just, I don't know, I just love light gold highlights on the cheeks. Parang I feel like yun yung color that blends beautifully with every skin tone, and also especially with my skin tone na I'm fair but I'm also a tiny bit yellow tone, so that is just perfect on my skin na parang it just shines naturally, kind of. Sobrang perfect siya for like summer. Parang na yung, I don't know, parang smooth kasi yung pagka-highlight niya. Parang hindi siya chunky in any way. It's just a very smooth highlight shade. Parang kasi yung consistency nila ni eyeshadow is it's very soft. Parang medyo buttery. So I feel like that's why ang ganda nung blending niya. The eyeshadow and the highlight. So the highlight for sure I recommend people to buy because it's so beautiful. Siguro ang ganda rin ito if you have this on your kit. So nakatingin lang ako sa viewfinder kasi sobrang ganda talaga ng highlight. The other items that I got from PIXI, their Rose Cream Cleanser and their Rose Tonic Toner. So these two skincare products that they have, I noticed that they're very gentle. I think mas okay to for dry, normal, and combination skin types. For oily, I think maybe not so much kasi the toner is it's water-based, and normally water-based toners are for dry skin or normal skin, and sometimes even for combination skin. For oily, maybe not so much kasi you normally use alcohol-based toners for that. The cleanser naman niya, it's just a subtle, cleanser, basically. I haven't used this enough to see what kind of effect it does on my skin, but I do have to mention right off the bat that it does smell like chamomile, as in it smells almost very therapeutic, kind of. I don't know, basta yung smell niya, pag mahilig ka sa tea, pag mahilig ka sa rose scent, pag mahilig ka sa mga chamomile, ganun, magugustuhan niyo yung amoy na to. Ako, not so much. I'm not a huge fan of tea smelling scents, but it smells nice. I'm not saying it doesn't smell nice. I'm just saying I prefer other smells than that, but I would still use it. Yun, very quick review lang. Since I've only ever used this once pala, I can't really say much about it. I will actually use this because I don't know, I feel like I like PIXI. Parang it's one of those brands that I just wanna try all of their stuff. So I guess that's it. By the way, all these products are available in Glamourbox PH. I will list in the description box all the details that you have to know about Glamourbox. And thank you again for sending me all these PIXI Skin Treats collection or PR package. I don't know, whatever you call it. I really like them for the most part. It's a kind of products that you can definitely live with. If you're an everyday makeup user, you can definitely use their products, which is good kasi not all of us are creatives or like people who go out of the box. So at least ito alam natin, safe ka dito. Pag ito binili mo, magagamit mo to araw-araw, and at the same time, hindi ka masyado challenge. So okay siya. So that is it. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and pass this on to people who you know would like PIXI products. Kikay of the day is Miguel Benito. Nakakatawa ka because you actually remembered me and my family from years and years ago from buying Dairy Queen. Congratulations, I've chosen you to be the Kikay of the day. If you want to be the next video shout out, just comment down below #Kikay of the day, or you can comment on my Instagram as well, #Kikay of the day, and I will see you and pick you for the next video. If you have any more questions regarding all the products, feel free to ask me and I will answer you to the best that I can. If not, just contact Glamourbox PH or go to the nearest Watsons or drugstore ba? Kasi I know that they have PIXI already there. Actually, yeah, Watsons have it, so just go there. It's very easily accessible. So I have nothing else to say, and with all that said, I want you guys to never forget that you are beautiful. Bye! God bless!